Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. Got this a Mercedes Benz SLK55 AMG. Then we just removed the cam cover to have a look, to double check everything. And this cam cover, the actual gasket's very hard. That's why they're leaking on both sides, leaking on both sides as well. We're going to do the spark plug as well. So this one here is a twin spark plug system. So you get like 2 per cylinder. So because if you look at it this way, one spark plug supplied 2, so 2 there. That's why you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Usually you get 4 spark plugs per bank on a V8, but this is actually 12. This is 8 because you get 2, so it's 16 spark plugs altogether, and 4 ignition coils. But each ignition coils have two of these output to the actual spark plugs. You see that one fell down. I'm gonna try to find that. Anyway, yeah, we're doing a major service as well, spark plugs. We've got a new battery fitted already, new filters and all that. We're doing a brake fluid flush as well on this car here, and then we'll go from there. All right. 2 things we're going to check as well. I think we're going to replace these hoses here. Look, have a look at that. They're very brittle. It's like a rock. That one there, same as this one here. Replace it now, otherwise they'll break off in the future and then cause it running rough. Okay. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.